For thousands of years, people have been growing the cannabis plant for its versatile fibers, seeds, and medicines. Like all plants, cannabis acts as a living factory. Its raw materials are sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide, which it uses to build roots, stems, leaves, and flowers. As it grows, it also makes hundreds of chemicals, including medicines called cannabinoids. Cannabinoids have been used to treat ailments for centuries. And as we study them further, we are beginning to recognize the broad range of beneficial applications these ingredients have within food, beverage, cosmetic, nutraceutical, and pharmaceutical industries. However, with increasing demand, our legacy methods of producing cannabinoids, large-scale farms and greenhouses, are quickly consuming critical resources: water, electricity, arable land. In the United States, the annual greenhouse gas footprint for growing this plant is the equivalent of driving 15 million cars each year. Growing consistent, clean, and high-quality cannabis at large scale is difficult. Farmers must keep these highly inconsistent crops free of pathogens and contaminants, as well as mitigate risks from environmental change, insects, and disease. But what if there was a better factory? There is, and Celebre has built it. For decades, we have been able to move assembly lines from plant-based factories into microorganisms, a process called cellular agriculture. It's similar to legacy plant-based agriculture without the harm and disruption to ecosystems. Instead of large fields or massive greenhouses of individual plants, individual cells are grown and harvested from fermentation tanks, like a brewery. Across industries, we have employed nature to efficiently make all kinds of useful compounds via fermentation, such as medicine, fuels, cosmetics, and ingredients. Celebre has developed cell factories for cannabinoids, moving the assembly line for any given cannabinoid from the cells of the cannabis plant into our proprietary cell factories. Every cell Celebre produces is a single-purpose factory, selectively manufacturing a cannabinoid of interest. Those cells consume sugar and convert those simple nutrients into the cannabinoid we want, the same way, every time, via precision fermentation. Now equipped with the ability and instructions to produce CBD, our cells consume sugar to grow and multiply in fermentation tanks, and begin to produce pure, natural, cultured cannabinoids, thus eliminating the need for traditional agriculture entirely. The result? When comparing Celebre's natural cannabinoids to those made via traditional agriculture, our cultured cannabinoids are produced at a fraction of the cost, utilize a fraction of the land, employ a fraction of the resources, with an end product that is identical to its plant-derived counterpart, but free of contamination and byproducts, and without disrupting natural ecosystems. Celebre's platform is the future of sustainable, high-quality, cost-effective production, and the foundation of our vision to fundamentally change how humans make things. For better health, not only for people, but for plants, animals, and our shared home, Earth.